Morton'S Gourmet Market is Sarasota's premier full-service grocery store with a vast selection of sophisticated foods, fine wines, specialty beers, and fresh baked goods offered by our friendly staff. Morton's Market is where gourmet meets convenience. We have five-star cuisine packaged for takeout or delivery, elegant meals prepared by our executive chefs, bringing the best of the culinary arts to your table. Visit us, Morton's Gourmet Market in historic Southside Village, where every day tastes like a holiday.